Qinghe County Xian'an Spare Parts Company Limited is a professional OEM manufacturer with over 12 years of experience in China's auto parts industry. As a trusted supplier for cross-border e-commerce platforms and well-known brands in North America, Southeast Asia, and the domestic Chinese market, we focus on producing high-quality, durable products. Our core expertise lies in rubber and plastic components, including EPDM, PVC, TPV, TPE, and others. We have more than 3,000 SKU, specialize in automotive applications such as rubber sealing strips, weatherstrip molding for car window, rubber hoses and tubes, chassis rubber parts, and other custom components. We offer product models for a wide range of vehicles, including Japanese brands, Korean brands, American brands, German brands, Malaysian brands, Chinese brands, and more. We also support custom development and prototyping to meet specific market demands. Our products are sold across North-South America, Australia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. We are committed to quality, integrity, and long-term cooperation. With a full product range, strong R&D, and large inventory, we are your reliable partner in sourcing premium auto parts. Whether you develop, sell, or source these products, we are the factory partner you've been looking for. We welcome inquiries and look forward to working with you.